Today we're going to make some super delicious red bean mochi. First, we're going to divide the red bean paste into 12 pieces. There might be a little more here. We can save those up for next time. And roll each one of them into a ball.
Ellie, help me. Mama, here's the ball.
And we're gonna cover them up with a plastic wrap. In a pan over medium-low heat, add half cup of sweet rice flour. And we're gonna constantly stir until completely cooked for about 5 minutes. One and a half cups of sweet rice flour.
And then sugar. And then sugar.
Superfine sugar.
Yes.
And water. Whisk.
I'm gonna mix. I'll show you with the red one.
In a heat-proof container. And brush a layer of oil on it. Pour the mixture inside. And cover it up with foil paper. In a large steamer, using high heat, bring water to a boil. Transfer in the container and steam for 20 minutes until completely cooked. Cool down for about 5 minutes. On a working surface, dust it with a layer of sweet rice flour that we just cooked. Since the dough won't stick to any plastic material, I'm using a food-grade plastic glove. Transfer the dough to the working surface. Also add some flour on top. Divide it into 12 pieces. Place the filling on a piece of dough. Wrap it and seal it. If it's too sticky, we can dust additional flour on it. Roll with your hands until it becomes a round shape. And we're just gonna do the same with the rest. It is absolutely delicious. It has this amazing cute texture. It is chewy, it is soft, and it's not too overly sweet. It's super delicious. I really enjoy it. And if you like it, remember to subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you again next Friday for another awesome episode. Bye!
好吃吗？什么味道啊 ？Sugar,
Sweet?
flour,
有糯米是不是？
water,
还有水。还放了什么？还有豆沙馅，是不是？用成球的豆沙馅 ，right？
I see the black thing.
哦，那个是豆沙馅。
Like that?
嗯，你喜欢吗？